A statement which is either a true or false. It is called as propositions. So P means a circle is a conic. And what is negation P? For writing the truth table, you have to check the statements. So if you get 3 statements, how to construct the truth table for 3 statements? Welcome back, my dear students. I am Shweta, Computer Science Faculty, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, Mysuru. In my last session, I have discussed about tautology and contradiction and contingency. So tautology means the statement which is always true is called as tautology, and the statement which is always false is called as contradiction. So I have discussed some problems on tautology, right? So today I will discuss some important problems on tautology. And also I will discuss how to write the truth table. So first question, let propositions. So what is propositions? Proposition means a statement which is either a true or false. It is called as propositions. So here, first question, P, one statement is a circle is a conic. We have 3 statements, P, Q, R. So first statement is a circle is a conic. And second statement is phi is a real number. And third statement, exponential series is convergent. So here we have 3 propositions. Express the following compound proposition in words. And also find P and negation Q. So for these statements, we have to find the compound propositions. First question is P and negation Q. By using these statements, we have to find this P and negation Q. So P means a circle is a conic. Circle is the first question. A circle is a conic. This is P statement. We have AND operation. So I will write AND. Negation Q. So what is the negation means? It is an opposite of this statement Q. So negation Q means phi is a real number. So what is the negation of this? Phi is not a real number. Phi is not a real number. So this is your first question answer. And the second question, negation P or Q. So negation P. So P means a circle is a conic. And what is negation P? So negation P means a circle is not a conic, means it is negation of this P. And we have OR operator. So I will write OR and Q. So what is the statement of this Q? Phi is a real number. So as it is, you can write this. Phi is a real number. So this is answer for this question. And the third question, P and negation Q. So P means a circle is a conic. And we have OR negation Q. So phi is a real number. So what is the negation of this? Phi is not a real number. And the fourth question, Q implies negation P. So what does this implies? Implication means if Q, then negation P. If phi is a real number, and also we have negation P. If phi is a real number and circle is not a conic, negation P means opposite of this P. And if phi is a real number, that is Q. So here we have to use if then negation P. If phi is a real number, then A circle is not a conic. And fourth question, negation Q if and only if Q. So if and only if means it is a biconditional statement. So negation Q. So what is negation Q? Phi is not a real number. So here you have to use if and only if phi is not a real number, if phi is not a real number, then phi is a real number. Please understand the concept properly. Here they have given the propositions. You have to write the compound proposition in words. So we have some statement P and negation Q. So these are the statement for each and every step you have to explain in exams. So this is an example for proposition also. And the next problem, construct the truth table. So for writing the truth table, you have to check the statements. We have two statements P and Q. First write the statements P and Q and truth values. True, 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 false, false, true and false, false. And you have to find negation Q in first step. So first I will find negation P and negation Q. So what is negation P? True changes to false, true changes to false, false to true, false to true. And negation Q is true changes to false, false changes to true, true to false, false to true. So negation P and negation Q. And the next is P and negation Q. Just consider P and negation Q column. P column and negation Q column. Here we have AND operation. We have to use the AND operation. So what is AND operation? If any one of the condition is false, so the condition also false. Any one of the condition is false in your truth value, so the final condition also false. So true and false is false. If any one of the condition is true, true means it is true. If any one of the condition is false, false, so it is false. And any one of the condition is false, statement also false. So this is AND operation. So here we have to find P and negation Q. Just consider this P column and negation Q column. And the next one we have negation P or Q. Consider this negation P column and Q column. Negation P, or we have to use OR operation. Negation P or Q. In OR operation, if any of the condition is true, so the final condition also true. If any one of the condition is true, so both the condition is false means it is false. If any one of the condition is true, the condition also true. Any one of the condition true means final condition also true. So this is your OR operation. And next you have to find P implication negation Q. P implication negation Q. Just consider this first column and fourth column called negation Q. We have to use implication. Implication means it is a conditional statement. P implication negation Q. So in my last session I have discussed about the truth table of implication, right? In implication, true, true means condition true. Except this true, false. If your first condition is true, second condition is false, the statement also false. Otherwise, all the statements are true in implication. So except this, all the conditions are true in implications. So I will find P implication negation P. P implication negation Q is true, false means condition false. And true, true means condition true. And false, false, condition true. And false, true, condition is true. Except this true, false, all the conditions are true in implication. So next you have to find negation P or negation Q. We have to use OR operation, negation P. You just consider negation P column and negation Q column. So OR operation, in OR operation, false false means the condition also false, and if any one of the condition is true, so statement also true. Any one of the condition is true, the final condition also true. Any one of the condition is true, so statement is true. So this is your truth table for this given problem. It is very simple concept. First you have to practice, you have to remember all the truth tables. All the truth table in the sense, first you have to practice the truth table for OR and NOT and implication and biconditional statement. So first practice all the truth table. So easily you can simplify, you can construct the truth table. So next problem, here we have to construct the truth table for a given statement. We have three statements here, P, Q and R. So if you get three statements, how to construct the truth table for three statements? So already I have discussed in my previous session, if you get two statement, so 2 power 2 is equal to, you will get 4 possibilities. If you get 3 statements, 2 power 3 is equal to 8 possibilities. So here I have P, Q and R. True for first column, true, 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 true 4 times and false, 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 false 4 times. Otherwise you can interchange false, 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 true, 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 true. So first 4 is true, second 4 is false, or first 4 is false, second 4 is true. So first 4 and second 4 should be true or false. And next second column, for Q column, true, true, false, false, true, true, false, false. So like this easily you can construct the truth table for 3 variables. For first column, 4 statement is true, 4 statement is false. For second column, first 2 statement is true, next 2 statement is false. First 2 statement is true, next false. True, true, false, false. True, true, false, false. Like that you can construct. And for third column, true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. It is very easiest to construct for 3 variables, right? So here, first I will find out P or Q. We have to use OR operator. P or Q. You just consider these 2 columns P or Q and we are using OR operation. So in OR operation, if any one of the statement is true, so final statement also true. Any one of the condition is true, statement true. Any one of the condition true, 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 true. And any one of the condition is true means I can write true. So here I have true, I will write true. So here I have both the conditions are false, so I will write false. If both the conditions are false, statement also false. So this is P or Q. Next we have to find Q and R. Just consider Q column and R column. So here we are using AND operation. If any one of the condition is false, the condition also false. So if it is true, true means condition is true, otherwise everything is false. True, false, 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 true, false. If any one of the condition is false, it is false. So here I have true, true, so it is true. True, false means false, false, true, false, false. So this is your AND operation. You have to find P or Q and R. So just consider this P or Q and R column. P or Q and R column. So we are using AND operation. If any one of the statement is false, so the condition also false in AND operation. So I will consider this column and this column. True, true means condition true. False, true means false. If any one of the condition is false, statement also false. So true, true is true. False, true is false. True, true, true. false, true, false, false and false. And the last statement is second statement, P or Q and R. Here we have to use P column with this Q and R column. So first statement is true and true. In OR operation, we have to use OR operation. If any one of the statement is true, condition also true. So true, true means it is true, and true, false, condition is true, and true, false, condition true, and again true, false, condition true, false, true also true. If any one of the condition is true, then it is true. False, false is false, 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 false. So this is your truth table for 3 variables. If you get 3 statements, so easily you can construct the truth table. And the next problem for 3 variables, here we have 3 variables P, Q and R. So first write the variables P, Q, R, and also have to find P and Q. Here we have to use AND operation, and negation R implies P, and P and Q implication of negation R, and Q and negation R implication of P. Please understand the question properly. You just use these connectives to construct the truth tables. So first I will write the truth values. True, 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 false, false, false and false. 4 condition is true, 4 condition is false. And two conditions are true and false. True, true, false, false. And 1 condition is true, 1 condition is false. True, false, true, false, true and false. Now you can find out negation R. True changes to false, false to true, true, false, false, true, true, false, false, true, true, false, false, true. And next we have to find P and Q. Here we have P and Q. I will find out P column and Q column. Just consider the truth values for P column and Q column. For AND operation, if any one of the condition is false, then the final condition also false. True, true means true. True, true, true. If any one of the condition is false, all the conditions also false. So it is false, false, false and false. So this is P and Q. And in second question we have negation R and P. So negation R and P column. You have to use this negation R and P column. So negation R and P column. So already I have explained about implication truth table. So if true and false is only false. Otherwise all the conditions are true. And false, true also true. And false, false also true in implication, right? So here just consider the negation R column and P column. True, false, only false. Otherwise all the conditions are true. If true, false means it is false. True, true means true. False, false is true. False, true, true. False, false, true. False, true is true. So this is your implication. And next one, P and Q, implication, negation R. Just consider these 2 columns, P and Q, implication, negation R. So false, true means, already I have told you that it is true. True, true is true. False, false, true. And true, false means false. And false, false is true. True, false is false. False, false, true. True, false is false. So except this true, false is false. All the conditions are true in implications. And the final one, we have to find Q and negation R, implication P. So just consider this column, negation R, implication P with this Q. Q and, we have to use AND operation here, Q and negation R, implication P. Just consider these 2 columns, Q and negation R, implication P. So first condition is true and false, it is false. And true and true, true. False and false, it is true. False and true, it is true. True, 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 true. False, true, it is true. And false, true is true. So, except this first one, we got all the conditions are true. So, this is a construction of truth table. If you get 3 variables or 2 variables, easily you can construct the truth tables. But you have to understand the concept of and, or, not, and implication, and if and only if. So, then only you can simplify, you can construct the truth table. So, today you learned the truth table for 3 variables. If you get 3 variables, you will get 8 possibilities in truth tables. So, I have explained the easiest method for 3 variables truth table, right? Please practice all the problems so easily you can score on this topic. So, in my next session, I will discuss some other problems and truth table. Thank you.